Okay folks, so in today's episode we are building a skid plate for my truck. You can see that's how it should look like. And of course we're going to build a side wing here and on the other side as well. So my son is helping me grind down the rough edges here. This is the skid plate right here, and he's already cut down the side wings. This is going to be the driver's side, and this is the passenger side for the wings. And these are just brackets that I'll be welding onto the bad boy here so that it will be strong and has a structural integrity against rocks. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay guys, so this is how it's coming along. As you can see here, this thing is tacked in place. It's the bad boy here. And this thing is tacked in place here. This is to prevent rocks from going in. Okay, I don't know why, but I just like it like that. And then up here, I'm gonna put another piece of steel that goes perpendicular to here, so that I can bolt it here and reinforce the strength and integrity of the side here. Okay, here is the other plate. Okay, it's gonna be going on this side as well. This is how it looks like right here. Okay, and yeah, so we have stainless steel here, high carbon steel here, and yeah, everything's coming along very, very swell. So I'll show you how the end product looks like after I've tacked this here in place. Okay, so it's all grinded. It's not perfect, but it's grounded out, and gonna install it and see what happens. It's got a lot of splatter here, and I grind it out. It's stainless steel, so I'm not gonna paint over it. Leave it like it is. That's the purpose of stainless steel. Show you how I support the I made the bracket inside for structural integrity. This is the structure inside. This here supports the wing here, and that goes to the bottom down there, and this right here goes to the front, the upper chin here. So I'm gonna install it and see what happens. Okay guys, so this is how I did it. I'm finished with the product here. I'm gonna bolt this thing on. This is how I secure the thing. These are nuts that I welded on to the chin here. Okay, there's 5 nuts right here that I've welded on, and underneath the cross member here, I welded nuts here, 3 nuts, and so I'm gonna put this thing in, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we are bolting this bad boy in. So this is sort of like a trial run, but if it fits, we're not doing any trial, if that makes sense. I'm doing this, it's dark at night, so let's see. We're doing this bit by bit. Yeah. Okay, so now it is done. This is how it looks like here. All welded on. Hugs the underside very, very nicely. And so, let me know what your thoughts are. Again, this is stainless steel. I don't have to paint it. And it's gonna be left in this condition.